Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 571 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from Money Control highlights about something that has become almost as essential as health insurance mobile protection plans. With flagship smartphones costing upwards of rupees 1 lakh, accidental damage can be a costly affair. A cracked screen or water damage on an iPhone 16, for instance, could set you back rupees 25 to rupees 30,000. That are where extended warranties and insurance plans come in. Providers like Apple Care Plus, Samsung Care Plus, and third-party insurers such as Bajaj Finserv offer coverage for screen and liquid damage. These plans typically activate immediately upon purchase and cover accidental drops, spills, and immersion incidents. However, theft and loss can be opted as separate plan. The biggest benefit? Stress-free ownership. Knowing that authorized service professionals will handle repairs gives users peace of mind and protects their investment. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from the Hindu Business Line. Fintech and insurtech startups are rewriting the rules of insurance in India, turning what was once a hard sell into an everyday essential. Startups are embedding insurance into digital wallets, loan apps, and e-commerce checkouts, making protection timely, relevant, and seamless. These innovators are not just simplifying access, they are redefining customer journeys. From AI-powered underwriting to real-time claims settlement, startups are helping insurers scale faster and serve smarter. Bajaj Allianz Life, for instance, has partnered with fintechs to build onboarding platforms that work across agency, bancassurance, and retail channels. And it is not just about tech, it's about understanding how people earn and spend. Startups like Bima Pay Finsure are aligning premium payments with gig income, UPI autopay, and monthly salaries, making insurance easier to afford and manage. Our next update from the Hindu Business Line. Traditionally, maternity cover came with long waiting periods of 2 to 4 years, making it impractical for couples already expecting. But that is changing. New age maternity plans now offer waiting periods as short as 3 months, making it possible for expecting parents to get coverage almost immediately. These policies go beyond hospital bills. They include pre- and postnatal care, newborn coverage, and even mental health support. Some plans offer prenatal yoga, nutrition consultations, and community circles for shared experiences. With nearly 50% of pregnancies considered high risk and India's maternal mortality ratio still above global targets, these holistic solutions are more than just insurance, they are companions in care. Our final story today from Business Standard highlights that blends technology, infrastructure, and insurance innovation. The National E-Governance Services Limited, or NESL, is in active discussions with insurers to launch surety bonds in digital format, a move that could transform how infrastructure projects are secured in India. Surety bonds are three-way legal contracts that protect project owners from financial losses if contractors fail to meet obligations. While the IRDA permitted general insurers to issue these bonds back in April 2022, adoption has been slow due to administrative complexity, low volumes, and limited insurer participation. Currently, most surety bonds are issued physically, which adds friction. NESL, known for its success with electronic bank guarantees, is now aiming to replicate that model for surety bonds. The idea is to make issuance paperless, API-driven, and scalable, reducing operational burden and unlocking growth. Experts believe that digitization could push premiums from rupees 250 crore in financial year 2025 to rupees 1,000 crore by financial year 2026, especially if more insurers join the ecosystem. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.